So, you want to buy a Toyota Camry as your very first car. Honestly, smart move. You aren't trying to flex a fragile European luxury sedan on your friends, and you aren't buying a 20-year-old rust bucket just to save a buck. You want something that works every single time you turn the key. But before you head down to the dealership or start scrolling through used car apps, let's talk about what it actually takes to own one of these. First, let's look at your options, because Camry can mean a few different things depending on your budget. If you are shopping used, which most first-time buyers are, your sweet spot is a 2015 to 2020 model. You can easily find these with decent mileage for anywhere between $14,000 and $22,000. They look sharp, they're incredibly safe, and they hold their value remarkably well. Now, if you happen to have some serious savings or a very generous cosigner, a brand new 2026 Camry starts at around $29,100 for the base LE trim. But here is the best part. It's completely hybrid now, meaning you get a massive 51 miles per gallon.
No matter which route you choose, the real superpower of the Camry is how little it asks of your wallet after you buy it. While your friend with the used BMW is sweating bullets over a $1,200 alternator repair, your average annual maintenance cost for a Camry is sitting pretty at just about $388 a year. It's mostly just basic oil changes, tyre rotations and brake pads. It is quite literally designed to be neglected and still keep running. But it's not all sunshine and perfect fuel economy. There is one major catch for first-time drivers: insurance. Because the Camry is one of the most popular cars on the road, insurance companies have a mountain of data on them. If you're a young or new driver, your rates are going to be high, regardless of what you drive. But insuring a Camry can easily cost you $2,000 to $2,500 a year. That means you might actually spend more money just insuring the car than you do on gas and maintenance combined. The rule of the business with a Camry is simple. It's not an exciting car, but it's the car that frees up your money to let you live an exciting life. You buy it because you want zero drama. If this breakdown helped you figure out your first car game plan, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Camry, or are you looking at something else for your first ride? See you in the next one.